I love you ba? Wala na sila, no? Chicken gab.
Wala na.
Doon sudah dito sa layo. Finger pa ng samzag. Bukla doon na doon, guys. Oh my God. Sheryl Ohm. I love you forever. Ciao. Masuruda pa ka na doon. Masuruda ka na doon. Sudah doon. Barheda tadi doon. Hi. Wait lang. I love you forever.
Ito bali.
Hi, Doc. Thank you for joining, Doc. How are you, Doc? Is anyone home tonight? Yeah. Hi. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the thumbs up. You're only one here, Doc. Thank you for the thumbs up. On the mind. Thank you for joining. I just try to make it change. I don't know. I say goodbye. Hi guys, you are home alone. Okay. Good evening, Sheryl. How are you? I'm fine, guys. How are you, guys? Thank you for joining, guys. Never alone. Never alone. Gabriel. Tama na yan. Not alone anymore.
Oh my God.
Thank you for the tone. Never where I am always here.
Yeah.
I'm always here, always here. Thank you, always. Lol. Maybe they misunderstand what you mean. I don't know.
You bring the ang ka pa ng mama. Nagutom ako eh.
Duck. Lark duck. What team? I perk team.
Pipi kiwi.
I perk. Hi.
Kiwi. Pipi kiwi. Pipi kiwi.
Suggestions.
Pipi kiwi. Avocado.
Thank you for watching. Hi.
Ito. Ano pang balado?
Eating this late. Yeah, I ate late. I ate early. I ate early.
Ano pang balado?
Ah, Hi, what is that hiding in your corner? Corner. Hi, Insan. Good evening. Hi, Insan. Good morning. Good evening. Good morning sa'yo. No rice, no life. No rice, no life. What is your eating? Rice. Rice na may bagoong. Kawi Vlogs Travel. Hi, hello, good evening, bagong barkada. Hi, Kawi Vlog and Travel. Thank you for joining po. Kumusta? He has gained 75 pounds. Does anyone in Philippines does not like rice? I think when getting old, need to diet, no rice. Like, or when old noted to chores. Ba, buklado na yung maturog ka naman.
Ito naman ako.
Ha?
Ito naman ako.
Kaya nga ni. Rice and vegetables and the shrimp, a little shrimp called bagoong. Ay, Bicol ka pala po. Opo, Bicol. Bicolana. English guys or I delete. Sabi naman. Little shrimp, yeah, the little shrimp. So little shrimp.
Yeah.
Hi, Mark. How are you, Mark? Welcome back, Mark. Yeah, good relaxing na. Yes, good relaxing na.
Nasa panahon tayo kung saan naghanap na ang sakit sa pag-iisip. Sa Rose, magkakaroon siya ng higit na panahon sa sarili niya upang magpagaling. Ikaw ngayon si Goodman Brown.
Mahagin pa rin ito ng pagpapagaling ko.
We are eat jumbo shrimp and French fries here in USA. Shrimp, the big shrimp here is too much expensive. As in, so much. Late dinner, Shirley, yeah. Late dinner. Just wake up.
Ito, sa tingin ko babagi sa ito.
Doc, you ate the shrimp head. No. I think it's it. The shrimp? Yeah. The head? Nah. Tapon head, tapon.
Huwag mo sabihin ako always to. Pag sa first day, sana makatulong sa inyong dalawa bagong simulan. Sana ako.
Ayos lang ba sa iyong maging homework partner ng Miss Western? Nasa klase ko ang anak kong French.
Naghahanap lang ako ng makakatulong.
No. Yes. I don't eat head. Me too.
Magkakaiba mga tao. Kaya kung pwede sana huwag mong bigyan pumasok ang ibang tao sa buhay.
We eat lot catfish here too. Huh? Ah, catfish. Catfish. What it looks like? Catfish.
Mag-ex, naging friends. It's either hanggang ngayon, mahal pa rin nila yung isa't isa, or hindi talaga nila minahal yung isa't isa in the first place.
Chris. Miss mo?
3 years ago, cute na yun. But ngayon, it's just a little bit immature.
It looks like a cat. Okay. I will looking at no, Google what it looks like.
Ayun na ulit?
Chris!
If she really loves you, I'm sure she will understand.
I will send you picture later if catfish. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
mistress ba ako? Well, yes.
With whisker. Ah, whisker.
Bawa ka naman.
Thank you. Kung pa'y babalik ko ng panahon, pipiliin ko magtampi sa una kasama ka.
Hi.
Ipapahata ka ang aking mga kamay. Gagawin natin ang bawat batang. Ibubuhos natin ang mga naipong pag-ibig. Sasayaw natin ang mga puso nating hindi kailan mawawata.
English check. Yeah. Yeah, send her a picture of catfish head. Ah, okay. The catfish head. Gab. Oh. Bakal ka man sinkok na ano ako. Gusto mo man.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait sa akon. Abay ko na.
Hmm. Mom wants a cake now. Okay. You buy a cake now for your mom? Uh, they call it a catfish because of its whiskers. Ah, okay. Oh, whiskers because of the, like, the kaliskis, the whiskers. Oh, what? Yeah. Read it, Cheryl. Mom wants a cake now. Oh, yes, I read it. I mean you. Write it, Cheryl. Mom wants a cake now. I mean you. Ah, me? Me? Why me? You should sleep good tonight with a full belly. Yes. Ah, yes. That's what you send, Gab. Ah, okay. No, not cake. Coke. Coke, not cake. Yeah, the Coke. Thank you, Gab. Gab, thank you, my baby Gab. Yes. Coke, not cake. Yeah. Cheers. I said, calm you. You just don't read it right. So read it again. Yeah. I read cake, not a Coke. I said Coke. Ah, okay. Oh wait. Ah, mom wants a Coke now. Ah, okay, Coke. Sorry. Coke, not a cake. Oh my god. Coke. Sorry. Yeah, it says Coke, not a cake. Sorry, man. Sorry. There is a such thing as Coke cake. Yeah. She got more eating on her mind. Yeah. My cravings, different cravings. Gab, ano na yun? Ay, sus, na wait lang. Pawit-wit ko lang. Ihatag ko lugan yung dito na ano, ha? Hindi na makalayan. She got more. She got more. She got more. Oy, nako, di nagluluway. Maula yun ako ko. Maula yun. Hindi na makalayan. Thank you for the thank you for the the thumbs up. Coke is bad for your kidneys. Yeah, I know, but sometimes Coke is just sometimes. Yes, doc. Not all the time Coke. It's drinking Coke. Sarado mo yun. Takloban mo, Gab. Thank you for the thumbs, Zach. Thank you. But now what are you sending him after? Sending him? Hi, what? RS. Oh my god. Ah, what are you talking about? Oh my god. Oh my. On everyone and wireless, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chinese, I don't like your comments. That's not good for me, for my channel. Where is my, my moderator? Where are you now? Be nice, people. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Doc. Oh my god. Oh my god, how could I do that? Insan, I gonna go. I just eat while on my break. Good night and have a great day everyone. Thank you Insan. Salamat sa pagpunta sa pagbisita sa live. Thank you so much. God bless. Ingat lagi. Take care. God bless. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you forever. My God, what's happening in this world? I gotta go. I go. Take care, son. Take care. I, oh my God. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Oh, why you unhide? Oh, God. Doc. Hi, Doc. Oh, thank you, Doc. Thank you, Tim. Thank you. Accident. Hey, here's again. Hide again, yes. Hide again. God. I want you to stay now. I tried to delete it, but I'm not sure if it worked. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. I took care of it, Doc. So much, Doc. Thank you so much, Doc, for trying to help me. I really appreciate it. You won't be back. I hope. Oh my god. When I read that the comment, how? What? Sure. The gulay. Oh my god. Thank you for Mhm. People needs to grow up. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe he's young or yeah, he's young. He's still young. He don't know how to color. He's just wanted to see the color. The color of what? My ano? My color of the color of my underwear. May ano. Yep. Okay. So I don't care. Ah, oh my god. Terrible. He doesn't know you have shorts on over them. Ah, okay. I always have a short. After the short, I have another shorts. Protected. Yep, yep. Thank you for watching, everyone. He doesn't know you have shorts on over them. Yeah. Thank you for. There's a lot of perverts on here, yeah. Absolutely, yes, Doc. Pretty lady. Hi, William. Thank you, William. I'm very thankful that you're a nice friend here on my life. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, William, for nice here. Look, you woke up William up by doing that. Yeah, I know. I don't think like that. Oh my god, Tim. Maybe soon. I'm wearing a bikini. It's a joke. It's not good. It's not good for me. I'm too old for that sexy, sexy, sexy outfit. Like wearing. Is there any nude bitches there? No. Boracay. There are a lot of foreigner there. Uh, they wear bikinis. Oh my god. Me, I can wear in public. Wear bikini, my no. But I can't handle. I can't handle though. Doesn't mean it. Hi, Tito Stefan. Oh my god, thank you, Tito. Good evening, Cheryl. We are getting you a thing. Bikini. Yeah. You're never too old for bikini. I'm too old. I'm old here. Yeah, here in my place. It's really weird. Wearing a bikini. Really? No, you're not too old. You're 21. I'm not 21. I'm 40. Oh my god. I'm 20. 40. 20. I'm 40 years old. Old for that. Bikini. Hi, Tito Stephen. Thank you for joining. Where's Tita? Why you hold up 5 fingers? Up, that's 50. Yeah. Oh my god. 5 years from now, I'm 50 years old. I can't believe I'm too old. And another 10 years, I'm senior citizen. I'm not prepared. Imagine 50 years from now, 10 years from now, not 50. Yeah, 10 years from now, I'm 50 years old. My god. My gulay. I'm old. And then, yes, you will look pretty. Granny with a bikini on. Yeah, granny. Oh my god, I'm a grandma now. Granny on a bikini. Granny with a bikini on. Gosh, I'm not prepared. Can I hold on? Hold on. Stay 40 years old. Go, Granny, go. Hold on. Hold on for 50 years old. For 40. Yes, doc, with two babies at age 50, the kids will be the 10. I wanna need you right now, nah, nah. But she wants two more babies. Yes, I want more two babies. We just pick on you, Cheryl. Thank you, doc. Oh my god. You may be picking doc, but I'm serious. Huh? I wanna be with you right now, nah, nah. Seryoso. Seryoso na siya. Seryoso na siya. Nagbabata ka na I wanna be with you right now. I thought Tita was here. Where did she go? Tito Stefan, he visited here tonight. Um, See, excuse me, where Barb? Oh, yes, excuse me. Sorry. Who going to wash dishes tonight? It's me. Me. I need to go outside. Just and then dark outside there. Maybe I go, or maybe tomorrow morning. Tonight after the live or tomorrow morning. I'll wash. Do wash. Mm. So wash them in morning. Yeah, in morning I will wash. She lied. That nakakainis naman tong lalaking to. Ang gusto eh. She, she lied. The little girl tomorrow morning namin will wash. Nakakainis ka. Tim. Sure, you're not lazy, are you? Sometimes I'm lazy. Sometimes not, of course. Oh my god, Tim. Just a plate. Tim is telling on you. Yeah. He knows me. My niece. No, she's not. She is equal opportunity employee. Oh my god. Lol. I wanna be with you right now, nah, nah. Gonna pull out. Cheryl is not scared of work. She will stand right beside it. Yeah. Thank you, Doc. I can. I can work for it. Not so easy. So easy. But seriously, she does do the dishes, but Maine gets rewarded. Cheryl will take to Gab to eat. I just can't compare you with this one. You, what time do you go to sleep? If I'm feel sleepy, I go time anytime, anywhere. Anytime, anywhere. If I feel sleepy, oh my god. Just when you sleep anytime, yeah. Yep, yep. You know what, Doc? Now, for this month, I gain weight. Just this month. Yep. For the last month, oh my god. I'm too much thin. Losing weight. Lose weight. Like, so small. Like, here, it's like here. Here is here. The, the size. You gain weight. Yes, I gain weight this month. Like, maybe because of I have a privacy now. Yes, too much because I sleep a lot. I having a peace of mind alone. Do you exercise? Yes, I do Zumba. I walk a lot. I do Zumba, walk a lot. Yeah, I exercise. That's not the reason. What's the reason? I eat a lot. Her month, her mouth. Oh my god, Tim, you so ano. Bleh, Tim. Bleh. Notice her lips are skinny. Tim. Ayan naman, I have a muscle na. Naman talaga yun. Ano? Just love him again, Cheryl. Thank you. Oh, oh, huge muscle, yes. Look, my muscle, Tim. Look. See this, my muscle. Look, oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have a muscle now. Tomorrow morning, early in the morning, I walk exercise early. I need to wake up early, maybe 5 in the morning. I walk a lot. Muscle woman. She just spread her fat muscles. Oh no, man. Tim, Sir Tim. Hmm. Lol. I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. Never knew you were that someone waiting for me. We were just getting feeling love, fighting against all odds. I know it'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold me. I'm gonna picture you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Baby, I'm dancing. Do you work out with weights? Yeah. Anyway, like the squat thrust. You know the squat thrust. I like the belly. And it, to remove the belly, I want this muscle, stomach muscle. She used to walk a lot for her job, but they changed her job to a volunteer job. So I'm better off by just supporting her. Thank you for supporting me. You for supporting me, Tim. It helps me a lot. I buy fish. I buy fish for food. Nah. Fall asleep na. It's my job. Thank you. Oh my god. My Gab is sleeping now. And ugly lipstick. Ugly? Oh my god. Ugly lipstick. No, it's not ugly. It's a red lipstick. Thank you for watching me. Aray. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, guys. This time going to sleep. So this is goodbye for now. Answer to. Oh my god. I'm not sleeping. God. You see that, Tim? Um, you see that I'm sleeping. Oh my god. Ang hirap. May pinagdadaan sa buwan. You will in 2 minutes. You will in 2 minutes. Okay. One, two, and three. Who's going to sleep now? Me. When I'm lying in bed, it's like it's a magic. I'm falling asleep. She's getting ready. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for the joining. Bye bye. Abraca abracadabra. Thank you, Doc. Nakakatawa to si Doc. Bye, Doc. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for joining. See you next live. Bye. God bless you. Stay healthy.